We're here at the Jaffrey site of Omega Optical to show off our new measurement capabilities thanks to our recent addition to our Metrology suite. This is the Zygo Interferometer, and this new equipment expands our capability to measure larger optics than ever before.
With the new interferometer, we can take flatness measurements on both reflective and transmissive optics, as well as wedge on reflective optics and transmitted wavefront error on transmissive optics. This interferometer now gets added to our fleet of about 14 interferometers that we already have. It gets added to our CMM and TallySurf in our Jaffrey location. Most of these are set at 4 inches. 3 of them are capable of doing 6 inches, and we now have the capabilities of doing 14 inches on this. On the new interferometer setup, we can measure 14-inch optics using no AP. Previously, our capabilities were at 6 inches and mainly 4 inches. In larger optics, we've had the capabilities of coating them, and we've had the capabilities of cutting them. We just haven't had the capabilities of measuring them. So this is going to allow for us to do a lot of the measurements in-house, provide quicker turnarounds for our customers.
We've always prided ourselves on being able to manufacture optics, coat them, and measure them all in one shot. So the new interferometer enables us to do that. So we have a much more broader capability of being able to handle larger optics.